Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how you can sort of get your privacy back from ChatGPT, if you will. Basically, you can delete stuff that ChatGPT has remembered. You can stop ChatGPT from referencing past conversations if you want. You can even delete your ChatGPT account altogether if you wish. So I'm going to go over all of that for you guys, but I do want to cover the elephant in the room first, which is that I am using the white mode or light mode for ChatGPT. And that is because I like the light mode for ChatGPT. I also use light mode for YouTube. Oddly enough, I use dark mode for Twitch. I'm a complicated person, okay? Yes, I do appreciate that I'm probably one of the few that even use light mode for ChatGPT, but here we are. Anyway, let's get into it, okay? We are going to start by clicking down here, okay? This is going to be where you go if you want to get anywhere, okay? You just click bottom left-hand corner where your profile picture is and go to personalization, okay? Personalization had a bunch of options here. If we go into advanced, we see all of these. But what we want is this, okay? Disabling this will make it so ChatGPT can't reference old conversation, like can't pull names from old conversations, basically can't put two and two together. Yeah, we get your smart ChatGPT, but maybe you're a little too smart sometimes. So this will let you disable that. And then this one will let you make it so ChatGPT can't save certain things, okay? Because every now and then you might see ChatGPT say, updating memory. Well, if you want to see all the memory that ChatGPT has, you can click Manage Memories. You can delete the enemies one by one, or rather memories one by hovering over it, and there should be three dots, much like the three dots, or you can delete all the memories at once by hitting delete all memories. Keep in mind that will delete everything ChatGPT has remembered about you in the saved memories. So all ChatGPT will have to go by is your recent chats unless you have turned off reference recent chat history. Then ChatGPT will have nothing to go by. It won't be personalized for you per se. It won't be super convenient, like knowing your habits and whatnot. But technically, from a technical point of view, if you care a lot about privacy, this is probably the way to go. And as far as the other thing I mentioned about deleting your account, that is something you can do. Oh, I guess it's also worth noting before I show you that you have more flexible options with saved memories on ChatGPT Plus. Okay, so it's worth noting. Now, back to the account. In order to delete the account, we go to account, and then right there, there's delete account. You literally would just hit delete account, then go through the process of deleting the account. and then there you go. You don't have to worry about that. Now, I will preface this by saying I do not know if you'll be able to sign up for another account with the same email if you delete a ChatGPT account. In theory, you should be able to, but I don't know for sure. I haven't done it. So yeah, there you go. Those are the ways to do stuff and how you do them. Hopefully this has helped you in some way, shape, or form. I know a lot of you guys are worried about privacy with ChatGPT, or maybe you accidentally gave ChatGPT a little too much information and ChatGPT saved it or something. Well, hopefully this will give you some peace of mind that you do actually have options. It's not just ChatGPT will remember it till the end of time thing. Okay, you do have options. You do have options as far as I can see. So yeah, hopefully this has helped you guys in some way, shape, or form. That was actually the whole point of this video. I don't mean to drag it out. I just wanted to say for a few notes towards the end. First of all, if you find this helpful, feel free to let me know. Comment section below. If this was knowledge that literally everyone knew, then I guess you can disregard this video. But if you are interested in letting people that did know, feel free to actually share this video with the people that should know, because I think it's important to know that your data is able to, or whether you can control at least what ChatGPT remembers of what you're talking about and whatnot. I don't make a lot of ChatGPT videos despite having a playlist for ChatGPT, but yeah, who knows? I might make some more in the future. But with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.